Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
Victorian-style cottage surrounded by a lush garden, featuring rustic brick and dark timber accents. The house has a steeply pitched roof adorned with climbing vines and foliage. A well-manicured lawn, vibrant flowerbeds bursting with colors like yellow, pink, and purple, and ornamental trees frame the scene. A wooden dining table set with chairs is placed on a patio in front of the cottage, inviting outdoor gatherings. Overcast sky adds a soft light, creating a serene, impressionistic atmosphere, with the rich greens of the lawn contrasting against the earthy tones of the house and the vivid flower colors. Stone cottage with a modern design, featuring a sloped metal roof, large glass windows reflecting morning light, surrounded by lush greenery, tall grasses, and colorful flowers, warm natural tones of the stone contrasting with the dark metal accents, serene and inviting atmosphere, early morning light casting soft shadows, impressionistic aesthetic capturing the harmony between architecture and nature, cozy outdoor seating area with a view of a tranquil landscape, gentle haze in the air adding a dreamy quality, focus on sustainable materials and integration with the environment. A cozy modern wooden house surrounded by vibrant autumn trees, incorporating a blend of contemporary and rustic aesthetics. The structure features large glass panels reflecting the warm hues of sunset, with a natural wood and gray shingle exterior. A spacious deck with comfortable outdoor seating and a table invites relaxation, while potted plants add a touch of greenery. The scene is set in a tranquil setting with soft, diffused lighting, showcasing earthy tones of brown, green, and gold. The overall composition exudes serenity and harmony with nature, resembling hyper-realistic detail capturing the essence of modern living.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.